It's me, Miss A, for another segment of Ask Miss A. This is where you get to send in screenshots of your math problems and I'll work them out for you. So we have a question that is loaded up for us to take a look at. It's a geometry question, so here we go. Given M is parallel to M, find the value of X. So I have line M right here and I have line N right here. Those are parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that will never intersect. Now, no matter how far they go, they will never cross. And this line here, we call this line a transversal. A transversal is the line that cuts through the parallel lines, and because of that, we can kind of calculate what the values of all these little different angles will be. So on the drawing or on the diagram, we see that this angle here is 116 degrees. But we need to figure out what is the measure of this angle right here, right? Okay. I want you to notice clearly, if we just look at this angle, we can tell that is an obtuse angle. Remember, an obtuse angle is an angle that's greater than 90 degrees. This one, though, that's not going to be greater than 90 degrees. That's going to be an acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. So right away, I know that this is not going to be or have a value of 116. But I want to kind of label this based upon what we've learned previously about parallel lines cut by a transversal. We talked about vertical angles in a previous video. So that means, remember, I think I had you guys do this with your hands, right? The angle here and the angle here underneath, those are congruent. And then the angles on the sides, those are congruent. So if this is 116 degrees, then guess what? This part is also 116 degrees, okay? And then because of something that's called alternate interior angles, that means this angle here is 116 degrees. And from that, we can now figure out what's the value of this angle. We learned about straight lines or straight angles have a value of 180 degrees, right? So that means 116 plus X is going to have to add up to 180 degrees. And so that's exactly what I'm going to write for my equation. 116 plus X equals 180. In order to solve for X, I got to get it all by itself. So I'm going to undo this adding of 116 by subtracting 116. And I got to do it to both sides of the equation to make sure it's balanced. These will cancel, leaving the X by itself. And then when you do the math, 180 degrees minus 116 degrees, what do we get? We get 64. So the value of this angle here is 64 degrees. X equals 64. If you have a question that you'd like me to work out, be sure to send me a screenshot via email and I will work it out for you here on Ask Miss A. Thanks for watching.